How's it going? Dave here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to superimpose pentatonic scales over a minor 7 chord. Now this is the second part in a series on superimposing minor pentatonic scales. The first episode talks about how to superimpose a minor pentatonic scale over a major 7 chord, but in today's video we're talking about how to superimpose pentatonic scales over a minor 7 chord. If you go down into the description, tabs and a backing track will be available at my Patreon page, so go and check that out. But let's get straight into the lesson. What we're going to be doing today is playing over a minor 7 chord, so we're going to be playing over an A minor 7 chord. Sounds like that. And I'll be showing you 3 different minor pentatonic scales you can play over the top of that chord. So the most obvious choice, the first one, is the A minor pentatonic scale. You should already know your shapes of your pentatonic scales. We're just going to play the A minor pentatonic scale at the 5th fret. And this is how it sounds over the top of your A minor 7 chord. Now the reason the A minor pentatonic scale is such a perfect fit for an A minor 7 chord is because it contains all the chord tones, the root, the flat 3rd, the 5th and the flat 7th, and it also contains a 4th as well. So it's really great for soloing over your minor 7 chords. The second minor pentatonic scale that we're going to be using today is the minor pentatonic scale built on the 5th of our A minor 7 chord, which is E minor, and we're going to be playing the E minor pentatonic scale over the A minor 7 chord. So let's play an A minor 7 chord in the background and listen to how the E minor pentatonic scale sounds over the top. Now, the notes in the E minor pentatonic scale in relation to the A minor 7 chord are the 5th, E, the flat 7th, G, the root, A, the 9th, which is B, and the 11th, which is D. So we've added a 9th and an 11th to our E minor 7, so that adds a bit of tension to the sound, but it sounds really cool. The third and final pentatonic scale that we'll be playing over the top of our A minor 7 chord, and then I'll be jumping into an example, is the B minor pentatonic scale. So this is the minor pentatonic scale built on the 2nd of your minor 7 chord, so just 2 frets higher. So B minor pentatonic over an A minor 7 chord. Let's listen to how that sounds. I thought I'd finish there on an A because it sounds a bit nicer to finish on that over the A minor 7 chord. The notes in the B minor pentatonic scale in relation to A are the 9th, you've got the 11th, you've also got the 5th, which is our E, you've got the 6th, which is F sharp, and you've also got the root, which is of course A. Now, this is a really good option if you're playing in Dorian, so you can kind of switch between the A minor pentatonic and B minor pentatonic if you're playing in Dorian, because this B minor pentatonic has that major 6th, which is the characteristic note of Dorian. So that's a good hack for you. The way we're going to be using these 3 scales today is all together in one solo, and the way we do this is a really cool way I learnt from Rick Beato, so check out his video on superimposing pentatonics too, it's really good. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be playing the pentatonic scale with the least tension and then moving through the scales in order of how many tension notes there are, or how many colour tones there are. And what I mean by that is 9ths, 11ths and 13ths. So of course the A minor pentatonic scale in relation to A minor 7 only contains that 4th or the 11th. So we've got 1 note there. Then the E minor pentatonic contains the 9th and the 11th. So there's 2 colour tones there. And then the B minor pentatonic scale contains, in relation to A, the 9th, the 11th, and the 6th, which we can call the 13th as well. So it has all 3, the 9th, 11th, and 13th. So we'll be using the B minor pentatonic last. So what we're going to be doing is playing a lick that has the A minor pentatonic scale, then moves to the E minor pentatonic scale, then moves to the B minor pentatonic scale. So let's take a listen to how that lick sounds. So there you have it, superimposing minor pentatonic scales over the minor 7 chord. There's a lot you can do with it, so definitely get to work on it. If you want the backing track to try and jam along with a PDF and Guitar Pro format tab of what I just played, head to the description and check out my Patreon page. If you enjoyed the video, click like, let me know what you thought in the comments, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well so that every single time I release a new video, you're notified. And if you're looking to write some interesting chord progressions, I've written a book on that subject called Chord Charisma, and the first 2 chapters I'm offering for free. All you got to do is jump down into the description and grab your free copy. So make sure you do that. It shows you how to write a standard diatonic chord progression, but then from there it shows you how to add these color tones and extensions like 6th, 7th, 9th, 11th, 13th, all of those, and it shows you all the chord shapes so that you won't get lost, and it will really improve your chord progressions just from those first 2 chapters. Imagine what the rest of the book will do for your chord progressions. I definitely recommend going and checking that out, and I will catch you in the next video. See you later.